Trying to mock Datetime.Date.Today, but not working. Can anyone tell me why this isn't working? Perhaps someone could suggest a better way.
Another option is to use this URL. Install it and use it. It also affects other datetime calls and method calls from other modules. Other_module.py. Main.py. And finally,
for what it's worth, the mock docs talk about Datetime.Date.Today specifically, and it's possible to do this without having to create a dummy class. This URL.
There are a few problems. First of all, the way you're using mock.patch isn't quite right. When used as a decorator, it replaces the given function /class, in this case, Datetime.Date.Today, with a mock object only within the decorated function. So, only within your today will Datetime.Date.Today be a different function, which doesn't appear to be what you want. What you really want seems to be more like this. Unfortunately, this won't work. This fails because Python built-in types are immutable. See this answer for more details. In this case, I would subclass Datetime.Date myself and create the right function. And now you could do.
Here's another way to mock Datetime.Date.Today with an added bonus that the rest of datetime functions continue to work, as the mock object is configured to wrap the original datetime module. Note the wraps equals datetime argument to mock.patch- when the foo_module uses other datetime functions besides date.today, they will be forwarded to the original wrapped datetime module.
I guess I came a little late for this, but I think the main problem here is that you're patching Datetime.Date.Today directly and, according to the documentation, this is wrong. You should patch the reference imported in the file where the tested function is. For example, let's say you have a functions.py file where you have the following. Then, in your test, you should have something like this. Hope this helps a little bit.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.